Yes, diving service here at Irish Twins. It is October 11th. We cleaned this boat about 2 weeks ago. I'm coming to inspect the drives to see what the growth looks like. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and just remove your waterline staining, just because that's what we like to do. All right, let's check her out. That was there 2 weeks ago. We've already got small barnacles growing and a few that are almost medium size. You can see from the last video they weren't there. I think you probably need to have her hauled and have new paint put on the drives. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. Look at this, already on the stain removal portion. I'm gonna let that sit there. And then we'll go look at the other side. Alright, let's look at the other side before he does that. Brown. Definitely cleaned it off real nice. Thanks for choosing DS Diving Service.